Okay, in my effort to slowly document Hengqin, we have a street here called Fanghua Lu, and east-west. We're gonna try to walk down it and we'll just kind of see what we can see. There already is this right here, the central street, which I filmed already. That was video number 3. So this is gonna be my 4th video today, and this one is right across from University of Macau right there. So I did one video where I started there, and then I came over to the port and I edited it when I got to this side. I did video number 2 where I went from the port, Hengqin port, all the way down here near the University of Macau to this one right here, Central Street. I did video number 3, just all that Central Street. There's like at least 50 restaurants in there. And this is going to be video number 4 of Hengqin, so 2023. And we're going to check out Fanghua Lu and just walk down and maybe go back and forth a little bit. Stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's Fanghua Lu. We did a video there already, and this one you can always see there's apartments over there, those brown ones, and we can always see it. If I've been living in Macau for 10 years, so University of Macau is right across from here, so you can see this from some of those places over there if you're walking around on the campus there. That over there is the financial district and also the port. And I don't know if I'm gonna get enough light to film all the cool stuff in this island because Hengqin is huge. But we're gonna walk along it, and my goal here is to kind of go back and forth a little bit and then just go all the way down this street. I already forgot the name of the street already. I guess the first thing we're gonna do is come along on this side because there's all these shops down here, and we're just gonna kind of check them out. And I saw the other side of it and I filmed it in video number 3, Hengqin, so I'll connect them so you can see as well. At the bottom, at the end of the videos, I'll put all the other Hengqin ones in, so you can always go back to it if this is the first one you've seen. This one I could look if you go through to the other side, but yeah, now I can see some other restaurants too over here. Lychee Burning Taste, looks like they got duck here. Yep, so we got some fresh duck. I think that's a noodle shop, I think. And I think we're gonna go in a second, and we'll just kind of take a look at all the shops here as well. And then we're also gonna go over there and try to see what that is as well. And we're gonna try to go in. There's an entrance spot in a second, so we can see that. So yeah, University of Macau is down that way. That's our main street right there. The Hengqin port is over there between Hengqin and Macau. Yeah, I guess the best way for me to explore Hengqin is just like bit by bit. Sun is kind of going down a little bit, so I don't think I'm going to get as much as I want to. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into Hengqin Central Street, kind of give you a little bit of context for that, and then we're going to go over there and see what we can see on that side, and then we'll continue walking down. But this one just has a ton of restaurants in it. I was going to walk down to the restaurant part, and then we're going to walk back the way we came from to go the other direction. I think this is all coconut, so we got coconut drinks and things like that. Let me see, that looks kind of cool. Yeah, every time you film, you see something a little bit different. Kind of cool. Okay, so in here you have lots of restaurants down there. Got some kind of cool artwork as well. Really cool artwork. I just wish there was people right here to capture it. That looks really cool like that. And then you also have a second story as well, and I think even maybe a third story. So there's some, but I think that those aren't fully developed yet. There are some restaurants up there, it looks like, as well. This one's a Korean restaurant. It says Korean bulgogi in the Korean language. It says So they got a barbecue. And it says in English too. It says Hangnan #1, Jiangnan #1. So, okay. Hot pot restaurant up there. And then there's the entrance is over there. But since this is just not our predominant focus, our predominant focus is the street that's over there. But we do want to kind of show you that there are a ton of restaurants in here. So, okay. And there's more down there, of course. Okay. So we're gonna go across the street next, and then we're gonna keep on walking down our street. So we're kind of giving you a little bit of an idea of Hengqin, and I'm gonna slowly try to, I don't know exactly what's all gonna happen with Hengqin in Macau. They're gonna integrate them, but I don't know how inclusive it will be to foreigners. I think it'll be easy if you're ethnically Chinese to go back and forth, but as a foreigner, it doesn't sound like it, but I think they're gonna slowly integrate us, but I don't know how that's all gonna work. So next I'm gonna do is go back across the street this way. And then this one, I don't know what that is. But I also just wanted to go down the street and see what this other stuff is too. So that's all this Hengqin Central Street Business District. And then this one was another complex that I saw too, which had some restaurants as well. And I guess they're calling it, there's a name up there. We'll catch the name in a minute. So, look. So let me see, there it is right there. Aha Adventure Center. So this one's called Aha Adventure Center right here. It looks like they also have some housing as well. And then this one, looks like I can see it a little bit. We'll see if we can get in or not. And then that one looks like it's like still being built, whatever that is. Let me just see if I can. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down to the end of the street, but we can also see that one as well. And then this one, Human Resources Services Industrial Park. So I guess this is an industrial park, the corporation stuff. And it looks like there's a parking lot at the end, and that one looks like it's bombed out at the moment. Common Cafe, B Plus Cafe, general layout plan in the community. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just walk in, see what it says. Oh, these are all freshly trimmed, pruned. This will probably grow back real thick. So let's just see what this is. Okay, Inno Valley headquarters, human resources. So it looks like it's just kind of a big industrial park of offices. Okay, Hengqin. Okay, so I guess we'll just walk in it, and that'll kind of give you the context of both sides a little bit. So kind of an industrial headquarters, bunch of office buildings, not fully. There's the photographer who's following me. His image is following me in the mirror there, if you can see that. So I kind of want to go that way, but it looks like there's some nice grounds up here as well. Lots of these windows everywhere. I'm gonna come around. Oh, Fudan University. Huh, so they're gonna have a university campus here too? Fudan. So, okay. So yeah, this is kind of the image that I had of Hengqin, that it'd be kind of empty, not quite fully realized yet. Well, this is called Zhuhai Fudan Innovation Institute. Huh. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on walking down. So pretty interesting anyways. Looks like there's people that live here though. We're gonna continue on our target street over there. Inno Valley headquarters. So it looks like you could definitely explore a lot more down that way. So, okay. This is one of these moments where I feel like I should turn off the camera for a little while, but instead I'm just gonna keep filming because this looks kind of like bombed out. But I do want to document these streets because these streets are gonna keep changing. I mean, look at all that construction, and that looks kind of tilted, and it kind of looks like they did everything's like kind of fully realized up to that spot. That's like still in progress, right? And then this one, it looks like we keep going down. But yeah, they got all this kind of stuff like that. We're almost at the end anyways, so we're just gonna continue to the end. Looks like this is all apartments down here. And actually you can start seeing other stuff that's over here too. That's kind of interesting. I see something on that side. Looks like kind of university-ish or school-ish or something. And I think we're gonna run into a park, possibly. If we run into a park, that'll be really interesting. Because I was over here like 4 or 5 years ago, and I was kind of walking around a little bit, and then I ran into this one spot that had like all this like garbage. And I think there was just so much construction, they just didn't know what to do with it. They didn't really have the facilities at that time, I don't think, either. That looks really beautiful. And I think I do remember walking down here because I think the like 5 years ago, the main road that goes between here and the port was kind of a mess. And so I was trying to figure out a back way to do it, and then I found all this trash. I don't know, we're gonna go up to the end of the street and we'll just see if that looks like that now or not. Huh, it's kind of how they do it in Macau. It looks like maybe ecological zone or something like that. And I think up that way they're supposed to do like hiking trails and stuff. I'm sure there's something already there. Fanghua Lu. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it looks like we could maybe even walk back that way a little bit. So we're gonna try to walk across. Huh, these are for bike lanes. Should go across over that way. So we're gonna walk down across this big busy street, and then we're gonna see what's over here. And then that'll be the end of our video once we see that. Oh, I do like these bike lanes over here. Because later I could take my bike over here if they make it a little bit easier for foreigners. Okay. So over here it looks like they got, it's like a little kind of ecological zone, which I think is part of the plan, ecological zone. I can also see some apartments way over there that are kind of colorful, a little bit like Macau-ish. So I can definitely see there's a lot of stuff to explore everywhere around here. So anyways, that was our video right here. It looks pretty cool. So we're gonna end it. Huh. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.